to us about what the Security and Exchange Commission is doing, really. Because Dr. Idris just pointed to the fact that it looks like you're not doing enough.
Well, I guess that position is wrong. Not even guessing, it's totally wrong. The Securities and Exchange Commission, being the apex capital market regulator, has over time been making announcements, publishing circulars, newspaper, and of course using the electronic media. Besides that, we've done videos which are on our website cautioning people about Ponzi schemes and dubious investments. We have, over time also, gotten people behind bars. Recently, we had the Ishaala, right, who had promised everything. In fact, they tried to register with the SEC, and we say we're not going to register them, you know, and we got them down and got them, you know, to be convicted in court. We also have had others, right? We have Thomas Kinsley, which we have convicted in court. We had, you know, MBA Forex itself, right? We refused to register them because we found out and we discovered that they didn't have what it takes to be so registered. Registration is a very critical, you know, process. In fact, registration is a hallmark of regulation. And so it is important that we do what we call the fit and proper persons test in the process of registering any investment company or instrument.
What happened in the case of CBEX? How did it escape your radar?
It is not that. So what happened with CBEX? It's like you just told us here now that you only knew about CBEX 2 days ago or a week ago.
No, but you are the apex regulator.
Excuse me, just wait, right? As the apex regulator, if a company does not come to register, I wouldn't know. If somebody has not come to report to me, I wouldn't know. As much as we can't be everywhere. So we, as much as possible, the ones we can, even very recently, just in Abuja, let me give you an example, a clear example. Provest. I'm sure you've seen some billboards all over Abuja with Provest. I brought them down. I brought them down. The SEC brought them down. So,
but billboards are still standing.
No. What they have done, and we're going after them, what they have done, after we said Provest is not a registered investment, they went back to change their billboards to hectare vests. Go and see. But we cannot do some of these things without going through the process, court process, and, you know,
whether hectare vest or Provest is the same picture that is on it.
So that's why we are going after them, and we have issued a disclaimer. So the point is, people are resilient. Speaking to what, you know, Mr. Shoaibu spoke about regarding the Investment and Securities Act, I mean, we should commend Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for signing into law the Investment and Securities Act 2025, because that has been in the process for the last 10 years. It has been in the process for the last 10 years. But it's only after our appointment that the current team of the SEC was able to push that law through the National Assembly and got the president to sign it in record time. That shows the commitment of the president. Because what it does is that it provides sanctions that had never been in existence for, you know, Ponzi scheme operators. 10 years imprisonment, 20 years, 20 million naira initial fine.